how to update your email or passport on HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your email or passport on HelloFresh. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon or the menu and then select account settings. And there in that section, you can simply tap on email, and after that simply enter your new email address and save it. But here to change your password, you simply have to go back and select password, and after that you have to enter your current password and then a new password. And once you're done entering that, you can simply tap on save. And with that, your account info will be updated. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.